Bring life to your garden with a soothing water display that runs on pure sunlight. Best solar fountain options today offer effortless setup, zero electricity cost, and beautiful motion that attracts birds while upgrading any outdoor space with natural charm and relaxation. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Mademax Solar Fountain. The Mademax Solar Fountain stands out as a simple yet highly effective option for anyone wanting to add instant liveliness to a garden, bird bath, or small pond. Its upgraded 1.4W solar panel is surprisingly responsive, taking only about 3 seconds to activate once direct sunlight hits it. The spray, height of 50 to 70 centimeters, feels just right, not overly forceful, yet tall enough to create a pleasant display that naturally attracts hummingbirds and other small wildlife. One thoughtful feature is the included retainer designed to keep the pump secured in the middle of the bird bath. This prevents water from splashing out and reduces how often you need to refill the basin, which is a common issue with floating fountains. Another major advantage is the 6 included nozzles that let you switch between various spray patterns. Garden enthusiasts will enjoy experimenting with the different water styles to suit the mood or setting. If your bird bath is small, the bubble mode works best and minimizes splashing. The fountain also scores high on ease of use. Simply place it on water under the sun, and it starts automatically. No wires, batteries, or complicated installation. There are realistic limitations to note. The fountain cannot operate on cloudy days or at night since it stores no energy. Clean water is essential to prolong pump life, and the water level must remain adequate. Still, for users who want a low-maintenance, environmentally friendly decorative fountain, the Mademax Solar Fountain is charming, efficient, and perfect for adding movement and sound to outdoor spaces. Number 2. Solatec Solar Fountain. The Solatec Solar Fountain is a reliable, eco-friendly option that offers a great balance between performance, simplicity, and value. Operating entirely on solar energy, it eliminates the need for electricity or batteries, making it ideal for users who want a budget-conscious fountain that still delivers consistent results. With 4 interchangeable nozzles producing water heights between 30 to 50 centimeters, you can easily adjust the spray style depending on your setup, whether it's a bird bath, pond, fish tank, or garden mini water feature. The nozzle variety ensures you can achieve anything from a playful bubbling effect to taller, more dynamic fountain spray. One of the strongest qualities of the Solatec model is its versatility. Its lightweight floating design means you simply place it on water, and it starts up within seconds when exposed to direct sunlight. No installation steps, no wires, no complex maintenance, just easy operation that makes it suitable for beginners. Since it activates automatically, it also improves water circulation and oxygen levels, making it helpful for small fish environments. Maintenance is minimal but important. You need to clean the pump regularly to prevent dirt from clogging the mechanism. As with any sunlight-dependent fountain, it won't operate under shade, cloudy weather, or at night. However, during bright daylight conditions, it remains impressively active. For homeowners wanting an inexpensive yet reliable solar fountain that enhances outdoor aesthetics while being environmentally conscious, the Solatec Solar Fountain delivers exactly what it promises. Number 3. Fulsren Solar Fountain. The Fulsren Solar Fountain positions itself as an upgraded, powerful model thanks to its high-quality 3.5W solar panel, which provides noticeably quicker startup and stronger spray height compared to basic solar fountains. Activating in just a few seconds under full sunlight, it performs with impressive stability, making it suitable for users who want something more robust. The fountain includes 6 nozzles that offer a range of spray patterns, and its maximum height can reach up to 60 centimeters, a visually appealing feature that instantly enhances a bird bath or pond. What makes this product stand out further is the inclusion of 4 adjustable holders. These can be cut to any length to keep the fountain centered and prevent it from drifting, a common issue with floating fountains. This also helps reduce water spillage and ensures the pump doesn't bump against the basin edges, which can prolong its lifespan. The environmentally friendly design is another strong advantage. With no electricity required, the fountain supports sustainable garden decor while remaining durable due to professional waterproofing and solid build quality. The Fulsren Solar Fountain is highly versatile and ideal for ponds, pools, aquariums, rock gardens, and decorative outdoor setups. Simply place the fountain in water, ensure it receives adequate sunlight, and it begins operating automatically. It's easy to use, requires no special installation, and offers dependable performance. For users seeking an efficient, powerful solar fountain with multiple spray customization options, this model is both practical and aesthetically impressive. Number 4. POPOSOAP Solar Fountain. The POPOSOAP Solar Fountain is designed for users who want consistency and upgraded features that most basic solar fountains cannot offer. Its standout advantage is the 6.5W solar panel equipped with a built-in 3000 mAh battery backup, allowing the pump to continue running even on cloudy days, a major improvement over typical models that stop working without full sunlight. While it doesn't operate at night, the extended cloudy day performance alone makes it a top-tier choice. This fountain includes important protective features such as dry run protection, which automatically shuts off the pump when water levels drop too low. This prevents damage, reduces the risk of burnout, and ensures long-term durability. The anti-clogging filter system adds another layer of reliability, helping maintain smooth water flow even in environments with debris or dirt. Its ultra-quiet operation and animal-friendly design make it perfect for bird lovers. The consistent water movement attracts birds while reducing issues like water splashing out of the basin. With 8 spray modes and an included 5-foot tubing, the fountain can be used for creative water effects such as mini waterfalls, bubblers, or streams. Number 5. AMZtime Solar Fountain. The AMZtime Solar Fountain is a stylish and efficient choice for homeowners looking for an upgraded garden fountain that combines simplicity with strong performance. Its 2024 upgraded solar panel activates in just 3 seconds under direct sunlight, providing an immediate boost of water height that helps attract hummingbirds and naturally enhances outdoor ambience. Since it requires no electricity or batteries, it remains an economical and environmentally friendly garden addition. Like other premium models, it includes 6 nozzle options that allow you to switch between different spray shapes and heights. Whether you want a gentle bubbling effect or a more decorative upward spray, this fountain gives you freedom to design your garden atmosphere exactly the way you like. The inclusion of 4 fixed brackets is especially useful. These keep the fountain centered in the bird bath, preventing water loss and minimizing the need for frequent refilling. Operation is effortless. Simply place the fountain on water under sunlight, and it powers up instantly. It works in bird baths, ponds, pools, aquariums, and garden decor setups while supporting water circulation and oxygenation. For best performance, it's important to use the fountain in clean water and ensure it receives direct sunlight throughout the day. A wider bird bath can also help reduce splashing. Overall, the AMZtime Solar Fountain is a dependable and visually appealing option for users seeking an upgraded solar water display with practical features and easy operation. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.